It's his horn. Probably not. Blow your damn horn.
Doesn't look that brand new.
What's that?
Doesn't look brand new.
No, those ones don't. Them other ones were shiny all the time.
Yeah.
So they, in Madison by the village, they cleared out all that woods.
Yeah.
Like in between the CSX and the Norfolk tracks.
Yeah.
Where they got that one switch that goes to Norfolk.
Mhm.
So I don't know if they're gonna. I don't know. They cleared all the woods and crap out of there. It's all flat now.
Yeah.
So you can actually see that switch, which is kind of cool. Yeah, this thing's huge.
I know.
That's pretty neat, though. Well, you won't see those
Yeah.
because they're going to be in there.
Yeah.
Those, you'll see those because those pins sit on top of that.
Yeah. If I ever lose those, I have like an extra pair.
Extra what? All those
like,
pins?
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet, though. Those are huge.
I know. This is so long. Yeah, I know these trains are long.
Yeah. Well, that's all they're hauling to is oil
Yeah.
for the tankers. And there should be a grain car or a hopper at the back.
Yeah. Why do they have those?
It's like a buffer car, so like it's something like you can't have like an oil or a tanker car right behind the engine. You have to have a car in between it. I don't know why. I don't know if it's so it doesn't like slam into the engine, but I mean,
when you hit the brakes, it could slam into that.
yeah.
And then like
So it slams into the hopper instead of the tanker or instead of the engine.
Yeah. You could probably damage like the engine's couplers.
Well, that I don't think they're worried about. Like,
Fire.
yeah, blowing up. I mean, if it sparks, it's gonna blow up anyways.
Yeah.
That's how that one was behind where Gander Mountain was.
Yeah.
Them oil cars like derailed and it had a huge fire. Like where all those houses are at, over on Jackson Street. Like everyone had to leave. Like they had to stay at the hotel by the movie theater.
When was this?
Oh, geez, that was. I think you were a baby still. I don't know if you were even. Well, you hadn't been born. You might have been like 1 or 2, if that. Like, you couldn't even go on 44. Like, 44 was closed.
How long?
It was closed for a couple of days because, I mean, they had to let the stuff burn. So, like, the oil was, like, burned and there was a fire going for, like, 3 days. And then they went and cleaned all the crap up. Like, a couple of the tankers were, like, charred. Like, they were just, like, melted down. Like, they left them sitting in the grass, like, on the side of the track for a couple of weeks until they cleaned them all up.
Yeah. And then they have one in the back.
Yeah, it was pretty neat. It was pretty wild, though. Like, they had state patrol on the freeway. Like, you couldn't even go on 44. And then after, like, it burned out, like, they had state patrol sitting there with signs that, like, do not stop on the bridge.